feeling niya nila siguro na this is how she win the Miss Universe. Kasi eto, tama ka Daniela, no? Where in fact, ang Miss Venezuela ba, nagpaka-dark horse ba in any of their queens? Hindi, 'di ba? Laging pasabog ang Miss Venezuela sa pananamit, sa everything, pero they always no, ranking number one sa pageantry. And yan nga ang sinasabi ko sa tao, no? Who would you trust, no? Venezuela or the dark horse of the other countries, no? So that's what I am trying to say. Kasi it's just like you've seen how Venezuelan women won their international titles, no? And coronation. And alam natin, pag Venezuela ka, walang nagpapaka-dark horse. Talagang aura kung aura, tapos laging OOTD, no? May konting interview lang, online interview, naka-makeup, nakakulot, no? Parang matutulog na lang sila, nakakulot pa rin, nakapilik mata. Hindi ka makakakita ng ordinary sa kanila. There is no such things as ordinary pag ikaw ay Venezuelan queen. And that what set them apart from the others. No? Ang sabi nung iba, nakakaumay daw. So kung nakakaumay ang ganda, edi dapat hindi world ranking number 1 ang Venezuela sa Miss Universe. No? Aminin nyo, ang mga Philippine queens, hindi naman nagpaka-dark horse para manalo ng Miss Universe, just like Catriona, just like Pia. 'Di ba? Hindi naman sila talagang effort sa mga pagpapasabog, no? And that's what I'm trying to say. Pero ika nga, I'm not in the authority to be, no, to encourage everyone to believe in me. All I can say is magpaalala, pero I have no right to convince people who doesn't want to believe in the strategy of Venezuela and in the strategy of other queens, no? Yun ang akin lang. So, I am not here to convince you guys. I'm just here na